Whole heap of talk I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase there with another reason in our Wagwan entertainment and dancehall news. And if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe icon, then click the bell icon and stay notified with all our Wagwan. Now, viewers and subscribers, we have to talk about this. Vybz Kartel is definitely leading the evolution of the dancehall sound from behind the bars, I must tell you. The flow them with Vybz Kartel are fine. I'm not just no need I never point out this. Now the early stages of Vybz Kartel career. Vybz Kartel was an artist who never afraid to mix the pop, the R&B, the rap, and the hip hop with the dancehall flow and the dancehall sound, and still manage to keep it sounding authentically dancehall. Debate with me about that in the comment section. Prove me wrong. But viewers and subscribers, I'm point this out to you. From them early stages there in a Vybz Kartel career, and for most established artists now, point out a couple of them. Lil Wayne, 50 Cent, who else? Biggie Smalls himself, Juice did upon somebody else with him. Jay-Z, you name the names. One of the first things where artists normally do for show people say, yo, I have the creativity and the lyrical capacity to really be one of the best artists you have ever heard, is remix. Go upon somebody else's beat and give them your rendition or your version of their song. And Vybz Kartel known for that. You have some DJs to it also realize the way the Vybz Kartel tracks sound, them could have put them on different rhythm. Teacher hear it himself and realize say, you know, say for true, the sound or the flow, it can readily put on any other rhythm because of how the music put together. And the reason was because it was a fusion sound. And if you notice what takes place in a dancehall right now, viewers and subscribers, it is that fusion sound where make certain artists stand out. Think about Chronicle, Squash, that the one. Rygin King, Tommy Lee, Sparta, Popcorn himself, Spice, Shensia. You name the names we are lead right now. Jada Kingdom. If you big up all Jada Kingdom, enough people underrate the artists, but big up yourself, mama. You see that sound the way you have? Just continue work on your sound and just go through the pieces and go on. Evolve in a music. Because your sound is a foreign sound. Foreign are gonna love you. Is it England, North America, Europe, them places that gonna love Jada Kingdom viewers and subscribers. But on track with the reasoning. It is that fusion sound that really make artists stand out. Whether it be the fact say them fuse a certain sound in the rhythm. And remember to I point out this why I say Vybz Kartel is definitely one of the leading force in the evolution of the dancehall sound. But remember in early 09, probably late 08, probably now 07 too. When Vybz Kartel stays the woman and say yo, Portmore Empire, and him a link up with Not Nice and various other producers that established them sound at that point in time. New producers where have a different sound in mind. The type of music and the type of rhythm they put out. Me remember stakeholders in a dancehall music. I say it was not dancehall because they must say the sound, the beat them, the rhythm sound somewhat overseas. Which it was the evolution of the sound, the fusion of Wagwan, because people never really had take hold of Wagwan worldwide in the music. Social media never really depend the level where they right now. So people couldn't aware of Wagwan in Africa as soon as it happened in Africa. Right now, with social media and viewers and subscribers, as the sound change and as something happen for artists or if something happen in music anywhere in the world, we can see it real time. We can't hear about it while it happens. We can't even witness it. Because people are live stream. People are go live. So we can see it while it happens. So things have changed in our music, entertainment and technology. And with the fusion of all of that, the sound have a change. The sound did definitely have a change. The way people even make rhythm and beat different now. Big up all of the producers, them will still go buy all the old machine them to try to get that sound there, the authentic sound there to certain production. But at the end of the day, music I make on laptop. So things have changed. Vybz Kartel start from the early stages and definitely push the vibe there. That is why me personally say Vybz Kartel is definitely a leader in an evolution of the dancehall sound, even from behind the bars. Some people point to the fact that Vybz Kartel have tracks pre-recorded where still sound relevant now. And it's not just because of the topic, and not just because of what I talk about in the song, or the flow, or the melody. It always seems to sound modern. No pun intended, but them have all a track with Sean Storm, Vybz Kartel, and Shano, and a Millennium Gal is his name. Because as I'm tell you, Vybz Kartel and artists associated with him seem to keep evolving throughout the times. They must seem complacent at no point in time. Vybz Kartel already established a legacy and a reputation in a music way. At any point in time, could I say, alright, I can go easy. The teacher never look like him take no break from creativity when it comes to music. Never. And as I say about these crapper dancehall artists we have found out, I notice a majority of them will readily tell us, yo, teacher was definitely an inspiration to me as an artist while me a forward out. Because here what Vybz Kartel do for other artists. Him show them say don't be afraid to be creative. And the sound where you have, put it out there. The music where you listen to, the type of vibe where you feel, put that into your music. Look on what going with the mobile side of music, viewers and subscribers. Remember say teacher forward out there and say, yo, me go lead out the whole mobile empire. Because teacher go over there and realize that it was a whole vibe, a whole settings. Anybody will visit Mobile can tell us, say, yo, the second city come like its own city to itself. Different dress code, different slangs. You know the braff go. You know what I mean? Different slangs, different dress code. That's a different style, different flavor, different drip. As where the Yankee ones them would have say. You know what I mean? There's a difference. And Vybz Kartel go over there and definitely, you know what I mean? Show the youth them say, yo, you have the talent, you have all of the necessities for put out big music. Squash himself said that. They must say a long time Vybz Kartel as a G City. You know what I mean? Yeah, the studio they did it and the artists did put in the work. Sometimes it take a time though. For, you know, the fans them really catch on to the sound. But when them do catch on, the love is that more greater. Because them see the work where you put in and them see the work ethic. And them say, alright, the artist say, you know, must say man go places. Squash sound is definitely a hip hop, pop, R&B, rap, dancehall infused sound. You can't go around that. Ask him. Rygin King never make it a guessing game. Him tell you say we are deal with trap dancehall. Tommy Lee Sparta from Fame Emergence, the amount of flow and style where Tommy Lee Sparta have, we did definitely say, yo, them man I think infused with a whole heap of different style of music. Them man is an artist where even they in the studio do the engineering work. I said the bass need for louder, that's the rhythm need for fatter. Drop the gross beat on it. Some people don't even know what that means, but it's a production term. It's an effect where you do to the rhythm. Make it have the sound where it have. You know what I mean? But Tommy Lee Sparta definitely put in the work in all facets when it comes to music and entertainment. At the evolution that viewers and subscribers. Shensia dropped her track recently with Tiger. Be people are talk about a thing. Say, Mama, they done make some talk in a certain interview and certain posts she make. And I know say yes, she definitely have an international flavor. Mama already featured upon a Christina Aguilera album. In these stages of her career. Who would have thought? At the sound viewers and subscribers, at the vibe. Rihanna already go out there on the world stage and show you say, if you fuse Caribbean music with pop and R&B music is gold. Literally gold. The album will be certified platinum and gold. May I tell you? You know what I mean? The style of work viewers and subscribers, and Vybz Kartel is definitely a leading force in our one. Right now, may I look forward to see bigger and better things from dancehall artists. I shouldn't even know. Right now, I'm proud of all dancehall artists. All artists them on the hear me not talk about and feel like say, oh, you rate them artists there. You don't know nothing. But every time a dancehall artist win is a win for the genre. You get to me, I say viewers and subscribers, yeah, dancehall artists do extremely well because them have an aim in mind now. Child Blacks what them think certified gold party. Animal in North America. And would you believe, and North America the place where that song is the biggest. A Latin America, I ask anybody who know nothing about music. Viewers and subscribers, dancehall artists definitely are putting in the work. What I want to do though, I put in the comments, put in the like, click the subscribe icon, then click the bell icon and stay notified. Until the reason again, I'm out.